Should I use NVM or Volta for Node.js installation? If you are wondering whether to use Node Version Manager or Volta for installing Node.js, you are in the right place. Let's break down the differences to help you decide. Node Version Manager, or NVM, is a popular tool that helps you manage multiple versions of Node.js on your computer. It is especially useful if you need to switch between different Node.js versions for various projects. Installing NVM is simple and can be done using a curl command. However, you will need to configure your shell profile manually after installation. NVM works well on macOS and Linux systems, but it does not have official support for Windows. There is an unofficial version called NVM Windows, but it may not have all the features of the original. One thing to keep in mind is that NVM does not automatically switch Node.js versions when you change projects. You will need to run a command like nvm use followed by the version number to switch. On the other hand, Volta is a newer tool built with Rust. It is designed to be faster and more user-friendly than NVM. Volta supports macOS, Linux, and Windows natively, which makes it a great option for developers who work across different operating systems. One of the standout features of Volta is its ability to automatically detect and switch to the correct Node.js version based on your project's configuration. It reads from your package.json, or NVMRC file, so you do not have to worry about switching versions manually. Volta also manages package managers like npm and yarn. This means you can pin specific versions of these tools for each project, ensuring consistency. Installing Volta is straightforward, as it involves running a simple script without the need for manual shell configuration. For those mastering JavaScript and web development, Volta provides a smoother experience. Its automatic version switching and multi-platform support make it convenient for developers juggling multiple projects with different Node.js requirements. If you prefer a more traditional approach and mainly work on macOS or Linux, NVM is still a solid choice. However, if you want automatic version switching, support for multiple platforms, and integrated package manager control, Volta is likely the better option for your workflow. In summary, consider your needs and workflow when choosing between NVM and Volta. Each tool has its strengths, and the right choice will depend on how you work with Node.js and your projects.